How to start cryptocurrency trading for beginners quick and easy. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing day. Yes, I bring you back with yet another crypto tutorial. In this video, we're going to be discussing the basics and how you can get into cryptocurrency trading. So I'm just going to give you an overview of everything and how the whole crypto policy works and what websites to use, how to look at the different charts, what candle charts are, and I'm going to show you how you can buy, sell different types of cryptos, how you can trade them. And yeah, we're just going to cover all of that up. And it's going to be very simple. It's going to be very easy. Many people think that crypto is very complicated and it's very difficult, but do not worry. I'm just going to guide you through, and I just want you to listen carefully and follow me through. And by the end of this video, you will know how to properly trade cryptocurrency. So let's get started without further ado. So first of all, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need a proper pro exchanging website that you want to set up your wallet and your account on. So I recommend Binance because in my opinion, Binance has been going on the top, and it's, in my opinion, the best website to start crypto exchanging. Or you can just use KuCoin, Crypto.com, or even FTX Exchange. You can use all of these, but in my opinion, Binance is the best for now. So yeah, once you have chosen your website, for example, I'm here on Binance.com right now. What you're gonna do is, obviously we're gonna go right ahead and register for an account. Now, of course, remember when you're registering, you're gonna need to put in all the correct details, your correct email, correct password. There's going to be a lot of verifications, and after that, it's going to ask for your bank account, your wallet, possibly your other cryptocurrencies if you have any. And you have to put all of that in, and you probably have to verify all of that information. And for that, you're going to need to go to your bank, and you're going to send, like, I think $1 or $2 to some Binance account, so that confirms that the bank account you added is actually real. Okay, so first of all, we're gonna need to understand what stablecoin is. So, what is stablecoin? Let me show you in an easy way. So, if we go over here, and of course, you need to get familiarized with the different cryptocurrencies. So, I'm just gonna show you the cryptocurrencies that are on the market right now. So, there are different types of cryptocurrencies. So, one of them is stablecoins. Now, I'm going to be discussing stable coins. Now, first of all, there are these crypto. For example, there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, USD, Tether, different types. But basically, what's stable coin is that you put your fiat currency, or if you're in America, you put your US dollars. If you're Canadian, you put your Canadian dollars. Basically, your fiat currency in some specific kind of wallet, because you can't use your fiat currency in big crypto places like, for example, Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is a very large scale asset, and it goes for, I think, around $30,000, and you can't just invest in that from the get go. So obviously, you need to put your currency in some stable place. So what stablecoin does is it provides that stable space. So I think the people use USD Tether the most. USD Tether is used the most because it is the most stable coin. It has the most stable stock. It doesn't drop too much. It doesn't go up too much. And I think it goes off for a $0.9. That's how convenient it is. And you can just buy crypto coins of USDT. And what that will do is basically then you can convert these crypto coins to whatever you want to buy. For example, if you want to convert your USDT to, let's say, Ethereum, if you want to buy Ethereum, let's say you have 320 USDT. So what that will do is it will convert this amount of USDT to whatever amount of Ethereum it's converted to. And then what you can do is, after it's converted, you can buy it, and you can keep it in your wallet, or just keep it in your inventory assets on Binance, whatever you'd like. So yeah, basically that's the function of stablecoin. I'm just going to give you a short summary. Stablecoin is a place where you can store your fiat currency, but in form of crypto, and then you can use that crypto to buy other cryptos, which are a large scale crypto. So yeah, that's pretty much basically it. Now what we're going to go and look at is charts. So I'm going to show you how you can use charts, because charts are one of the most important things. If not the most, it's one of the most important things when it comes to crypto trading. So yeah, these are basically charts. And for example, let's see, we want to see the Bitcoin by USDT pairing. So we're just going to click on this, and this is going to show us, yeah. So this is a graph or chart of Bitcoin by USDT pairing. And as you can see, the price for Bitcoin right now is $20,628. Obviously, it's fluctuating a bit, but that's the basic price right now. So let me explain how the charts work. Now, you want to see the charts in this way. Like if we go on technical indicator, you can set the different colors for the different options over here up. But honestly, I just like it like this. Now, these charts are called candle charts. Now, what are candle charts? Candles are these little things you can see over here. For example, this is one candle. This one bar over here, this is one candle. Now, there are other types of charts as well, for example, line charts, and in my opinion, those are useless, so just don't use those for your crypto trading. Candle charts are the best. I'm just going to give you a basic overview of candle charts. I have given a detailed overview of what they are in a previous video on my channel, so you can go and check that out. It's a very short and brief tutorial, and it's a quick one, so you can just go and check that out, but I'm just going to explain it real quick over here as well. So basically, at the start of the day, there's basically an opening. So for example, the opening on, let's say, what day was this? This was the 28th of October. And the opening on the 28th of October was $20,170. And this, basically over here, is the closing, this place. This is the closing. And the closing on 28th October was 20,475. So it opened at 20,181 and it rose up to 20,465. So that's how you can check if something went up or down. And these little things that come out of our open and end chart are basically the highs and the lows of the day. So this is basically the highest the asset trades went to, and this is the lowest the asset trades went to. So the highest it went to was 20,597, and the lowest it went to was $19,998. So this is basically how you can check out candle charts. Now, obviously, this is the green candle chart, which indicates that the price went up. But what the red candle charts indicate is, in the green ones, the lower block is the opening and the upper block is the ending. In the red ones, the upper block is the opening and the lower block is the ending. So for example, on 28th of October, 1 o'clock, we can see the opening was for 20,627, but then it closed at 20,290. So you can say it almost went $400 to $500 down. That's a lot of money. And the lowest it went was 20,170. So yeah, that's basically how you can use candle charts as your advantage. And every great trader uses these, and every great trader knows the depths of these candle charts. For example, you can also use these spaces to your helpings. And once you like something you see in the charts, you can either spot trade it, which I'm going to get into real quick. You can either spot trade it like on the spot with your fiat currency, or you can cross it or isolate it. These are the more complicated things, and obviously you're going to learn them as time progresses and you're getting more into cryptocurrency. Okay, so now let's discuss what spot trading and futures trading is. So as I showed you right here, this is called spot trading. This tab says spot, and this is spot trading. What spot trading is that you take your fiat currency, for example, you're in dollars, so you're going to take your fiat currency, which is $100, and from that fiat currency, you're going to directly buy a cryptocurrency. For example, if you want to buy Bitcoin, so you're just going to add your fiat currency in your wallet, and then you're going to directly buy your Bitcoin, or you can just use the USDT, your stable coin, which was USDT. So that is spots trading. Now, what is futures trading? What futures trading does is that, for example, You have placed $100 in collateral in your USDT account. Now, basically that comes in these pairings, so BTC by USDT. So what you do is you add $100 as collateral in your USDT. Now what that does is that just stays there. Now, as the Bitcoin rises or drops, the PNL, basically the profit and loss. So whatever profit or loss that basically those collateral of your money get, you receive that amount. So when you put in your collateral, the collateral obviously goes away when the market starts. So, for example, let's say Bitcoin goes on a profit one day, and your $100 should turn into, let's say, $400. So those $400 will come back to your bank account, and then it's totally on you if you want to use those $400 and if you want to stake them again. That's basically futures trading. Basically, in futures trading, you want to see into the future. You want to know if it's going to go on a profit or a loss. And obviously we can see that through the candle charts, which I just showed you. So yeah, that's how you use candle charts, and that's what spot and futures trading is. Now, one last thing I'm going to show you is how you can buy crypto. And it's very easy. All you have to do is just choose your correct fiat currency in either euros, USD, whatever. And then what you're going to do is, as I told you, whatever exchange website you're on, make sure it's a pro exchange website. Whatever pro exchange website you're on, you're going to add your bank or your credit debit card or any other wire transfer ways. And then you're just going to go on buy crypto. You're going to choose the way you want to buy it. And let's say I want to buy it through my credit card. I'm going to wait for this to load up. Yeah. So once it loads up, what you're going to do is you're going to enter the amount of money you want to place on the specific crypto. You can either use Bitcoin, or you can just buy. There's Bitcoin, there's Ethereum, there's BNB, there's all these different coins, Cardano, ADA, many different coins. You can just choose any one of them. You can also see the trades and prices they have on the right side. You can just choose them, and then you're gonna choose the amount of fiat currency that you want to spend. So for example, let's say 1,000, and look at that, it converts your 1,000 fiat currency, like for example in this case 1,000 euros. It converts that into the amount of Ethereum you're gonna get. So 1,000 euros can get us 0.619 Ethereum. And if I put in any other currency, for example, not currency but value, for example, let's put in this much euros. Okay, I don't think it lets us transact that much. Let's put in 5,000 euros. And in 5,000 euros, we can transact 3.094 Ethereum. And then you're just going to click on buy now. It's going to give you some sort of verification that you're going to have to verify. And once you've done that, your crypto is going to be stored into your Binance wallet, and you're just going to go on your assets. And once you go on your assets, what you're going to do is you're going to see your cryptocurrency, and then from there on, it depends what you want to do with it. You can put it in your different add-on wallets. Like for example, there are Nami wallets, there are other wallets that you can put it into. You can place them on NFTs, whatever you like. And then you can also sell the same way you buy. For example, if you've got some type of crypto, you're just going to click on sell. Obviously, you're going to need to sign in and fully set up your account. You're just going to go on sell. You're going to click on the type of asset you want to sell, and then you're just going to sell it. Then it depends if you want to future sell it or spot sell it, or if you want to put a duration on top of it, and what time of trade do you want to sell it on. That all depends. And once you've done all that, yeah, you're going to be a crypto professional by then, because you're going to properly know how to trade your cryptocurrency. So yeah, that's how simple and easy and basic it was to learn how to trade your cryptocurrency. So if you have any queries or issues, you can let me know down in the comments and I'll help you ASAP. And if you want to see more videos like this, basically crypto regarded tutorials and crypto help, you can let me know down in the comments and I will make them for you as soon as I can. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So drop a like on the video and subscribe to the channel because it helps me out a lot. Make sure to leave a nice comment if you liked the video, and share it with your friends, family, or anyone in need. And yeah, that's about it. I hope you all have a great day. That's all from me. Goodbye.